that shit up. Ew! Is this gonna fit? Works for me. You know what? I think it'll warm up easier that way. Hello? Where are my utensils? Ah. Okay. Hurry up. Lime makes everything better. Everything better, yeah. Mr. Sandman, please give me your magic. Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream. Welcome to a boring day in my life. That's so like blah. You're growing. Oh, look at this. These are all new. That's so nice. I'm in Arizona wearing a hoodie. What's going on here? Oh, that's so much better. Maybe I'll get a tan. More of a tan. We'll see. I think I'm gonna go play my video game. I play PS4. I've played Xbox, but I play PS4. And right now I'm playing The Walking Dead, and it's not as entertaining as I wanted it to be, but I'm also like very intrigued to know what's gonna happen next at the same time. So I'm just gonna play that. Maybe I'll order some food too. I'm probably just gonna do some DoorDash or something. Hey. Heck yes. It's gonna be a good old lazy day. Woo. I am having such a good hair day today. Look at that. Ooh, fancy. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh, I took some selfies. I was feeling it. I was feeling myself. I was doing my thing. Ooh. I am shining brighter than I was yesterday. My frequency is higher today. Waiting for Bae to come home so I can take the car and go get me some Thai food or sushi. I'm not sure what I want yet, but we'll figure out. Taking myself on a date. I decided to get Thai food and I'm so excited for it. I'll show you what I get. So I usually always sit by myself when I'm at a restaurant and take myself out on little restaurant dates. But yeah, this is the place. It's pretty good. I got a coconut milk Thai tea. It's my favorite version. So this is a Thai papaya salad. It's so good. Oh my gosh. I love it so much. So good. And then for free, they gave me these, I think it's called Kauji. It's really awesome. It's like coconut sticky rice with egg on a stick. I don't know if you can hear me in this, but I always watch movies when I go out to eat by myself. I'll like either eat with myself and like read a book or something, or just enjoy and be mindful. But most of the time I'm watching something, probably like a Disney show or some kind of kids movie. Also, I got another Thai tea for free. How cool is that? Oh, baby, we just treating today. We just treating ourselves. We treating. Look at us, snap. Ooh, yeah, fried calamari. And we're not even done yet. I wrote part of a song, but it's time to eat. So I'm working another double at work today. I did a double yesterday. I don't know if I felt like filming this. I just did. Anyway, I'm working a double today, and I went to Starbucks to go get some stuff, and I wanted to show you what I got because I'm so happy about my choices. I got some oatmeal, making them healthy choices. Woo! I always get the iced matcha latte with oat milk. It's so much better that way, and it's healthier too. So there we go. There's my morning. Yay. I'm a dedicated photographer. I'm in a river. Here I am. We're in Sedona. Oh, I did not mean to record. Can you hear me now? I was having heavy, difficult technical difficulties for the past like 20 minutes of recording. Bruh. Okay, now that y'all can hear me, what I'm probably gonna do with all those videos that I was just talking and doing shit, I'm just gonna fucking, I don't know, talk over it or put music over it and just do clips. And you'll get the gist of it from there because motivation went bye-bye. I'm gonna go get some sushi because I am motherfucking hungry.
We're attending here. Jim concert. Oh no, me.